The way that we use the digital technology to enhance that experience and that workflow is the beauty for digital dentistry in our facility and how we perform treatment for our patients. My name is Dr. Alan Jurim. I'm a digital dentist out of New York. I have been practicing in both the dental office and I practice in a dental laboratory where we combine the digital workflows so we can do whatever is best for our patients using the greatest tools available to us. On a typical day, we're using our DGSHAPE milling machines in order to make our patient visits faster and more effective. And we also had the best results that we were seeing. And because of that consistency and the predictability of having a fantastic restoration be made for us, it's made it more profitable for us, and it's also allowed us to offer services that we could never in the past before. Some of the things that I'm so impressed and I love about the DWX-42W is the fact that it has this new enhanced spindle. More heavy duty, which in turn equates to a faster mill time and a better restoration with better accuracy. We also have the ability to do Ethernet connectivity. This plugs into the central nervous system of our office and it allows easy integration and administration of the milling machine, which is so important for our team. One of the most important parts for us is the trusted connection between DGSHAPE and our other trusted digital dentistry providers so that we can use the technology on a day-to-day basis and we can make sure that we can rely on it. One of the key things DGSHAPE has done compared to some of the other competitors in the field is they've taken the process, which can be incredibly complex, and they've made it incredibly simple for us. And that simplicity equates to efficiency and equates to profitability for us. The heart and soul of our practice is our patients, and the experience that we can give the patients is so important. As we use DGSHAPE milling products and DGSHAPE milling systems in our office environment, we enhance that patient experience by interacting the patients with the milling machines. They see the restorations being made, they see the process, and really the patient takes that experience with them and knows that they are getting the best treatment possible in our environment. And it's incredibly exciting for us, especially for same-day dentistry. So as we combine the technology provided to us by DGSHAPE, the support, the quality, and of course the patient experience is really what makes it work for us in our environment. It's fun, it's exciting, and it's the future of dentistry, and we do it every day.